streetwear frenzy going on in the city right now. A special sneaker made just for New York is in such high demand, people are fighting to own a pair of these things.
Hello.
Yeah.
What you guys are doing here?
Damn, we wait for the Pigeon dunks, the Nike SB.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What time are you here?
I'm so excited, I'm waiting here since hours.
Oh my god, I also want that sneaker so bad.
What's going on here?
Boys,
I'm so sorry, boys. We're sold out, man.
Damn, what is this? I'm waiting 2 days.
You know what? You know how it is, man. You're in the queue. You're in the queue, man. I'm sorry. Boys, listen. We're closed, man. We're closed.
We need the Pigeon dunks.
Boys, I'm sorry. Next time. Huh?
We need the Pigeon
Next time, we're closed. We got to wait. We got to wait. Welcome everybody. Alright, let's get started with this unboxing. Nike SB Dunk Low TRD Quick Strike. TRD. What does TRD stand for? Very nice pink SB box. I love colourful boxes. Standard boxes are always dark, grey, gloomy. The SB boxes always come with a little uniqueness. So look, we've got some green ones down here. They're for the highs. If you guys don't know that. There's a nice dunk here. Got the two really nice colourways. Now the original version of this sneaker broke the whole kind of camping culture. I think after the release of the original one in 2005, Nike had to really rethink, or retailers in general had to really rethink how they release sneakers. I think this caused like riots in New York City. Pretty crazy stuff. Jeff Staples, the designer, collaborator with Nike, he wanted to basically get a sneaker that represented his city, New York. Pigeons were all over this place, just like in London. We got pigeons everywhere, and that's why you can see the little kind of the pigeon logo here. And this sneaker is also kind of nicknamed the Pigeon. So let's look at some of the finer details. Of course, you've got really nice embroidered pigeon, and you've got this kind of nubuck material on the panel areas. You can see that, and the swash itself is like a leather. Can't really feel it, can't really see much texture on the leather. You can a little bit, it's okay. A few glue stains here and there, I can live with that. In general, I think the sneaker is pretty dope, especially with the red sole. Got the red little hit on the swash. On the inside, let's take out the paper. And again, you've got this kind of red sole. Can't see what's behind that sticker. Maybe we can take out this sole. Can't really take that out, it's a bit tough. So yeah, then your standard kind of bulky SB. If you don't know, SB stands for skateboarding. Nice red sole. Again, the SB logo there. At the back, you just got Nike. Pretty plain, nothing much going on here. Nice fluffy tongue. And then your laces. So what do we get in the box? Well, we get obviously the sneakers. We get some red laces. I think with the red laces they'll look pretty dope. Which one do you prefer? The new one or the old one? The old one was much more grey. I think I prefer the new one. New one was I would say much more of a general release than the original one in 2005. I heard rumours that apparently he wasn't even sure if he wanted to re-release the sneaker. I'm happy that he re-released it in a different colorway. That's cool. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up. Of course, click on our previous video and obviously hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So big shout out to all our followers. Peace out and be back.